When looking for fiddleheads, you're looking for the ostrich fern, which you can tell by this right here. It kind of looks like a ostrich tail, or like a tail of a bird. Um, you can see, like in this one right here, that's the top of it. It is just about to pop. Probably another week or so, maybe a couple. But how you can tell is if you look right here, there's a deep U channel in the fern. Most other ferns have round stems. It also has this clump around the base. Let's keep looking. There might be some that are popped up already. Alright guys, we have actually found some fiddleheads. These things are tiny, but let's see if we can get that to focus in. See that U channel? Try to get that thing to focus. There we go. The U channel. Little fiddlehead. Here's another example. A little bit thicker one. This one's much thicker actually, but it has that U channel in there. That fiddlehead is good to eat. Now there's only a couple of these around, but I'm seeing more is more as I'm looking. So I think we'll take a couple of these, have them with supper tonight. Nope. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. There we go. It's a little guy. We'll find more.